How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Hbar update. In my past video, I was saying this is the final layer of support. At all costs, 17.5 cent can't be lost, and of course needs to reverse from here. The unfortunate thing, just like last time, 25 and 27 did hold. I was warning of this. It sent us all the way back down to the key level of support. You can argue this level is a lot weaker, so we really don't want to lower high in this region and then test this zone again, because it could really lead into a breakdown into this zone. But we're getting some bullish factors in the market. Bitcoin is coming into a very key level of resistance that it must break, the 200 EMA. It's actually bouncing from a level of support, which I said it could do. Please tune in to the Bitcoin updates daily if you can. Sometimes I can't really get every single altcoin update. Bitcoin is the most important one. Seeing this broken, they will start a further move up into the next level of resistance. I think there will be a rejection from there naturally. You'll see if this can hold and then attempt one more time to break through this area, and then doing so, it'll pump up into 101, 104. And of course, if that actually happens, then alts are going to follow. So please keep your eye on the Bitcoin chart tonight for the daily candle close, 4 hours away. And yeah, needs to recover 85.5k. Take this back to Hbar, and that's breaking through the green box, the 200 EMA, 19.5 cent. So I'd actually be more worried about Bitcoin. So if I see Bitcoin breaking out, then I don't even really need to focus on the exact level Hbar needs to break. But yeah, for anyone out there, it's 19.5 cent. It's the 200 EMA. But if Bitcoin recovers its key level, the rest of the market is just going to push through. And the next expected resistance for Hbar is between 21 to 22 cents. I'm going to draw a level of resistance in this zone. I'm expecting a rejection from here. As of now, the risk is that it could confirm a lower high at that point, lower than the previous, and then it could roll over, attempting to lose this key level down into the next set of targets, 13 to 15.5 cent. Now, of course, it can reverse once again, holding if it manages to maintain this area, taking out this. That is vital if you want to see it forming this macro double bottom down over here. We did speak about this in the last video update, although the path that is finding it easier to do, the primary path it's on is the bearish, looking for a lower high eventually to continue lower. So the secondary path is the bullish one, because there are further hurdles ahead. It's harder, it's finding it's struggling more to be bullish. You know, this was a key level support, should hold. You got this massive candle, should continue higher. I was warning it's going to fill in the wick. It had done so. This was where I was saying it must hold a support to hold that wick. It reversed, but warning this was going to be resistance. It was in the end. So there are many places it had better opportunities at, like when it was up here, it chose to go lower. It pumped up into there, it chose to go lower. So it really needs to take advantage of this final bounce it will be given. And it cannot reject this 21, 22 cent area to dump into new lows. It must recover it. It must also recover 27 cent. And that really puts it in the right direction. That is it from me today. If you want to get educated, learn how to do this, or have any questions regarding crypto, or want to learn more about Bitcoin, any advice whatsoever, let me know. Use the links down below. I'll catch you in there. Cheers.